Hello, my name is Anthony Franzino, and I'm in Group 1 with Sahil Verma and Diksha Kushwa, and this is our video demo for Milestone 3 of our Multimedia Expert System project. And what we chose to create was a fake news detector, and it uses a rule-based inference engine to analyze both text and images from a news article to estimate its credibility. So it combines text features, image, optical character recognition, domain heuristics, and predefined rules to classify articles as being legitimate or potentially fake. So here is our UI. You see the name here, and it basically has input sections for things like the article text, headline, source domain, author, publication and event dates, and optional image section if it has any images. So I'm going to quickly do a test on two articles I have saved. The first one being this article from nasa.gov. So I'm going to manually enter the different features from the article. So there's the header. I'm going to copy paste the article text. The source domain is nasa.gov. The author is Mark A. Garcia. Publication date was actually yesterday, and the event date was the same. And then the image, I saved the screenshot straight from the image here. And when you hit Analyze Article, then pretty quickly you should see the analysis results. The output of our system is a credibility score out of 100. So as you can see, this one scored an 86, and it was classified as being likely legitimate. So you can see everything it got from the article here, and the big output down here is the list of rules that triggered. So as you can see, it was penalized slightly for not having any citations. There are no citations in here, but there were a lot of rules that rewarded the credibility score, such as low spelling error rate. There was an author verified domain. The image matched the text in the article, so everything like that boosted the credibility. And therefore, this one was ultimately classified as being legitimate, which makes sense because this is an official article from NASA. And so now I'm going to hit Analyze Another, and I have this other one saved. Right off the bat, this one looks a little bit more questionable, but I have the headline saved here, which is straight from right here. I'm going to paste everything from the article, which is about aliens. So copy paste that here. We have the author. There's actually no author aside from this account called Deep Universe, so I'm going to leave that blank. The source domain is facebook.com, but there's actually no domain this article came from. This was just where this account posted it, so I'll put facebook.com. There's a publication date for this post, which is October 12th, but that's the only date on there, so I'll put October 12th as the publication date, and then I have the same image here saved, so I'll put that, and let's see how this one does. And naturally, this one scored a 34 out of 100 and was classified as being potentially fake. And you can see it's penalized for having emotional and sensational words like shocking, breaking, stuff like that. Lack of citations as well, missing author, and of course it still got some things that were alright, but that's basically the main functionality. And I'll go in here to the code a little bit. You can see all of our roles here, but basically the architecture is the text analyzer, which extracts linguistic features. There's an image analyzer, which uses OCR. There's a rule engine and app.py. So that's about it.